Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and power saving. And click on charge. Here showing you fast charging. Turn on fast charging button. After enable fast charging, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. In setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix fast charging not working on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.